Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to disable an energy saver on this laptop. To do it, right-click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, select Power and Sleep options, then expand the Energy Saver tab, and to disable Energy Saver, slide this toggle to the left. You can also disable Energy Saver completely by tapping on this list and selecting Never. Additionally, in this tab you can disable the option to lower screen brightness when you're using Energy Saver if you want to. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.